Hi there, welcome. My name is Rick with Cilajet Aviation Grade. We are Boeing and Airbus certified aviation anti-corrosive paint sealant for your automobiles. We protect from oxidation, fading, loss of gloss. We protect from environmental contaminants like bird droppings, sun oxidation, paint overspray, industrial fallout, acid rain. There you go. All these different contaminants that will protect you and your investment when you purchase your car. We're going to do a quick demonstration here to show you how the heat and the extreme heat from the sun can affect the paint, but a Cilajet treated surface can protect from the sun and protect the car from oxidation. We're going to just light this on fire. I would just suggest not trying this demonstration at home and don't show this video to your kids. But this car has been pre-treated with Cilajet aviation grade paint protection. We're just going to light this and show you what it is. You can light it on fire, a little bit of paint, and just take in our Cilajet protection. It wipes right off. Your car would be protected from the elements for 10 years from the purchase on new vehicles. We also have an interior protection which will protect your fabric and leather. The fabric is protected from fast food and beverage stains, lipstick, makeup, pet stains, lotions, oils. The leather and vinyl is treated with Cilajet High leather protection, which is going to protect from fading and cracking and keep the leather conditioned and soft and smooth. Again, we're proud partners with Truck, Nissan, Volkswagen. Cilajet Aviation Grade will protect your car for years to come and keep this mirror-like shine looking like new the entire time you're driving your vehicle.